She seems to be nice and comfortable. I'm just going to make some louder sounds, make sure she doesn't have any bad reactions. Huh? What do you think? Miss Hazel, yay! Good girl.
Hearing that.
What do you think, girl?
Is that this book?
I know. She's like, that's exactly what she's thinking.